Hello everyone, I am back. This is 扁豆焖面. So at first I wasn't going to film this, but it is really good. So I thought God. I will film this. I'm trying to make a Chinese dish here, and I used angel hair pasta for making this, and also some green beans, string beans. I bought this frozen, and I also have some fish tofu here. I cut the fish tofu first in half, and then I cut it in half again into a triangle. So it might look like a just fried noodle, but it's actually I made it like that too, but it's supposed to be really dry, and you first cook it in some broth, and then you put raw noodles in it, and the broth will the noodle will just cook in that broth and soak up all the flavor, and yeah, and then until all the broth's dried out, the dish is done. But I cook it differently because I don't have the dried, like fresh noodles made by hand. If I have that, then I would cook the veggies first, have some broth in, and then put raw noodles in there, and then just put the lid on and let it simmer until all the noodle is cooked. But I just cooked this angel hair first, and then just fried a little bit together with those veggies. But it's so good. I have some black pepper in this, and some soy sauce, and some hoisin sauce or oyster sauce. Whether it's hoisin sauce or oyster sauce, it's just some soy sauce, some sugar in it, so it just give it sweet flavor. I haven't been here in a hot minute. I was biting into a ginger piece. This is the fish tofu. Got a little crispy crease brown side. So good. I usually would just buy angel hair because it's just take less time to cook. I thought today I would just share some of my what is up lately, and what I've been doing. So earlier this year, I got certified as group fitness trainer, and I started working at actually volunteering at the gym that my university has. So around Christmas time, I had a really stressful time because I will be starting to teach when the spring semester begins, and I feel that I might not be like equipped enough or prepared enough to teach a really successful class. And although I was preparing for it, practicing for it, I still, because I haven't taught one full class yet, so I just feel like I'm not sure about it. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. And so I was under a lot of stress. Mostly like it's me thinking about something that might not even happen. And I have like really bad mood and mood swings and bad dreams. See, what I like about this noodle is that because it's not in soup, it's like a little sticky because I've been put it on the stove for a while, so a little bit sticky and then and dry. And after I started teaching the fitness classes, I feel really good. I teach two type of classes. One is a step class. It's basically a platform in front of you, and then you will step up and down doing different combos, different moves. And I really love that class. But it got canceled halfway of the semester because not enough people go to the class. Although I thought it's already a good turnout, maybe around 20 people come each time, but it's just less number of students compared to other classes around the same time. So it got canceled, and I'm really like not very happy about that, because I really love step, and I think the students love it too. And there are even students who came and said why do they even cancel that, because they love that class a lot. But I can't do much about it, and then I only have one class left, which is a total body sculpt. It's a strength class, so you will be lifting, doing squats, deadlift, and bicep curls, all kinds of stuff. It's a total body workout. At first, when I was teaching both of these classes together, I really love the step class, and then I don't really know what I can do to get the students keep coming back to my total body sculpt class. So I was not really getting the key of it yet, and then I only got to teach that one class, and then I started put more effort into that, and then I start to make it a really good class. Many of the students just tell their friends about it, and they just keep coming back and says, oh, it's a really great workout, and I'm so sore the next day, and I just love it. But at the beginning, when I started to teach, I'm a little not that happy too, because some of my friends, although I feel like it's a great opportunity for me to really motivate them to go to the classes, because I start to teach But one of my like really close friend, I really want her to start working out, and she has wanted to do that for a while, but it's just not lasting for her, not become a habit for her yet. And then asked her to come to my class, but she said yes, but then like work come in the way, and then she just never come to even one of my class, and I got like a little like sad. And then yeah, so sometimes I after the class I was thinking, oh, what will a class do to us, even to a student? They just keep working out after that? And yeah, so I was thinking that, oh, maybe I don't have that much of an influence. So I was a little like not yeah, not very happy about my teaching experience. Then we have a really big fitness conference held in our university, and I wasn't expecting a lot from that conference, but after attending it, even with the only a few classes that I went to, I feel like I learned a lot, have many inspirations for my class. And then I start incorporating that into my own workout, which is kind of new for me. The format is kind of new for me, and also when I incorporate these into my class, that students are really loving it, and I just got really happy when the students are like that. And so at first I was thinking I might quit after the first semester, but then like quit teaching. But then when the summer comes around, I'm going to teach 3 classes, and I am excited about them. Yeah, so I feel like sometimes I put like I think too much, and I put too much pressure, and I want to like really excel at something that, like, sometimes when if I think about like class plans before I go to sleep, I just get like I get so excited that I can't fall asleep. Yeah, so it's a really great experience for me. And I'm actually planning to teach a dance class later in this summer. I personally really love dance classes because everybody's having fun, and we move to the music, and we just enjoy the music, and you don't really like, I don't really care about like how other people are dancing, if they dance better than me. I just want to have fun, and then I really really love dance classes. But all of the instructors that we have, they have dance experiences. They have been dancing almost their whole life, and then they dance really well. And I feel like whenever I take the class, I should just, oh, that's the perfect form, I should follow that. So I never thought that I could teach a dance class. But then the other day, the head of the department, the fitness department, asked me, do you want to teach dance? And I was like, do you think that I can teach? And at first I was not sure because I don't have any dance background. But then after I think about it, I really want to take this opportunity to just give it a go. And I think I will be really good at it. Although I will not dance as professional as the other instructors, but I feel like it's a confidence thing. You have to be confident, and and um and we don't have to dance exactly the same. Like you can everybody when they're dancing to the same moves, it will be different. Just like have fun and be confident about yourself. So I think, yeah, and when I'm trying to decide whether I want to teach or not, it's a little struggle too. And yeah, didn't have a good sleep for a few nights. This is so good. Yeah. Whenever I cook pasta, I see that the serving size is 2 ounce on there. But yeah, I always just cook 4 ounce. 4 ounce. Today I cooked 4.2 ounce. And I don't think this is enough though. And when I'm cooking for two, me and my husband, I always just cook 8 ounces. Good one. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.